A graphics card is a dream choice for every PC user. It makes your PC smoother, faster, and more powerful. Today, we break down the best 5 budget graphics cards that deliver solid performance and smooth gameplay without hole your wallet. Whether you're gaming on a shoestring or just need a little extra horsepower, we've tested the top contenders so you don't waste a dime. From smooth 1080p gameplay to shockingly quiet fans, these cards punch way above their price tags. Buckle up, your next budget beast might be just a click away. All of the products featured in this video are in the description below. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. For more updated video, hit the bell button. Now, let's jump into the video. First, I have MSI RTX 3050. Performance meets efficiency in the MSI 30506 JEB Ventus 2X OC, and it hits a sweet spot for budget gamers. You'll enjoy crisp visuals and smooth gameplay even in newer titles, thanks to NVIDIA's Ampere architecture and a 1492 MHz boost clock. Ray tracing cores give your games lifelike lighting, while tensor cores unlock AI-powered features like DLSS for faster frame rates. Paired with 6 GB of DDR6 memory running at 14 gigabits per second, this card handles 1080p gaming with ease. It may not crush 4K, but it confidently beats older models like the GTX 1650 Super. Its 96-bit memory interface is narrow, but proves efficient for entry-level setups. This design works especially well in low-power systems, which makes it ideal for compact rigs. Dual HDMI 2.1 ports and one DisplayPort 1.4a make connecting monitors simple and flexible. Ventus 2X keeps noise low, even during marathon sessions. I barely heard it running during testing, and that silent efficiency is what I love most about this GPU. Many similarly priced cards run hot or loud. This one doesn't. I upgraded from a 20 series card and felt a solid difference in speed and sharpness. For its size and cost, this card offers surprising value. One downside is the limited VRAM, which may bottleneck texture-heavy games over time. Still, it's a compact and cool-running upgrade that nails performance in everyday gaming. Number 4. Asus Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. Small but mighty, the Asus Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 6 GB. OC edition punches far above its weight class. This compact 2-slot card fits in tighter builds without sacrificing cooling or performance. You'll love how NVIDIA's Ampere architecture doubles FP32 throughput, giving you snappier responses in fast-paced games. 2nd-gen RT cores bring smoother ray tracing, and 3rd-gen tensor cores boost frame rates with DLSS without hurting visuals. Your favorite AAA titles look better and run faster. Axial Tech fan design uses longer blades and a barrier ring to push more air exactly where it's needed. These fans also go silent when the card runs cool, thanks to 0 decibel technology, a feature I now can't live without. It runs cool and clean too. IP5X certification means dust stays out, so you won't be cracking it open for deep maintenance. That kind of hassle-free design makes this GPU stand out. Its steel bracket adds rigidity, and it feels rock solid when installed. DisplayPort 1.4a and HDMI 2.1 provide flexible connection options for high refresh displays or next-gen TVs. You'll also enjoy buttery smooth gameplay with NVIDIA G-Sync support. No tearing, no stutter, just clean motion. I'm most impressed by how Asus packed flagship-level cooling into this compact shroud and heat-sink layout. You won't need a massive case to get excellent thermal results. One downside, it only offers 6 GB of VRAM, so ultra textures in some newer games might push limits. Still, for most players, it's a killer deal with strong real-world results. Number 3. ASRock RX 6600 Challenger Graphics Card. Speed and silence rarely mix, but the ASRock RX 8 GB Challenger makes it happen. This graphics card crushes 1080p gaming using AMD's RDNA2 architecture and doesn't break a sweat doing it. You'll get smooth frame rates and snappy load times with its 8 GB DDR6 memory. That means less waiting, more playing, even with demanding games or multitasking. Its PCIe 4 support ensures fast bandwidth for modern setups, keeping gameplay sharp and input lag low. Dual striped axial fans and 0 decibel silent cooling technology keep things cool without loud noise. I've run this card through marathon sessions, and it stayed quiet every time. Premium thermal pads and heat pipes maximize cooling without a bulky design. Display flexibility is great too. With one HDMI 2.1 and 3 DisplayPort 1.4 outputs, you can easily connect multi-monitor rigs or high refresh panels. AMD Fidelity FX. Super resolution sharpens your image without killing performance, making everything look crisp. Its metal backplate not only looks sleek, but also protects the board from flexing over time. I love the solid feel. Some cards in this range feel flimsy in comparison. Build quality here means fewer worries down the line. Smart access memory paired with a Ryzen 5000 CPU pushes performance even further. That combo gives you a boost that many cards in this class can't match. You'll find serious value packed into this compact, durable GPU. Number 2. GIGABYTE Radeon RX 7600. Fast, efficient, and ready for modern gaming, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX delivers performance where it counts. This GPU handles new titles like a champ, thanks to its impressive 2,539 MHz clock speed and generous 16 GB DDR6 memory. AMD's Radeon RX 7600 XT chipset powers this card, offering fluid gameplay and power savings over last-gen models. You'll breeze through 1080p and 1440p without stutters, even on ultra settings. PCI Express 4 support keeps it fast and responsive, especially paired with newer CPUs. RGB Fusion lets you sync lighting with your rig, adding style without effort. Dual HDMI 2.1A and DisplayPort 2.1 outputs give you more screen options than most competitors. Run multiple monitors or a high refresh display and still have ports to spare. GIGABYTE's wind force cooling system stays whisper quiet under load. Triple fans spin smartly, ramping up only when temps rise. This keeps your setup cool and calm during long gaming sessions. That's one reason I've kept this in my daily build. A metal backplate not only adds durability but also protects against board sag, something lighter designs can't promise. Competing cards at this tier often skimp on build quality. This one doesn't. You won't find many graphics cards that balance power, style, and thermals this well. Everything feels tuned just right for smooth, high-fidelity play. I've tested plenty, and this one sticks out. Finally, we present to you our best overall. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060. Game Nights just got a serious upgrade with the MSI 306012 JEB graphics card. This card runs quietly, cool, and crushes 1080p and 1440p gaming with ease. You'll notice smoother performance immediately thanks to its 1710 MHz GPU clock speed, especially when paired with the fast 1807 MHz memory clock. Powering up this graphics card reveals NVIDIA's Ampere architecture in full force. You'll get realistic shadows and lighting with enhanced ray tracing cores, something mid-range cards often struggle with. Tensor cores add serious AI muscle, helping you enjoy features like DLSS without tanking frame rates. 3 DisplayPort and 1 HDMI port offer next-gen flexibility. You can plug in a 4K monitor, a VR headset, or a high refresh panel without needing adapters. It even supports a jaw-dropping 7680 by 4320 display resolution. That's overkill for most setups, but ideal if you want future-ready gear. Torque's twin fan cooling is what I love most. Long gaming sessions never cook your rig, and you won't hear it working. Competing models often get loud or hot under pressure. This one stays steady. If you're after a dedicated graphics card that punches above its class, this one makes a compelling case. MSI packed serious value into a PCIe 4.0 card that won't bottleneck your build. Every game I tested ran like a dream. you'll struggle to find a better balance at this price.